Okay, so let's talk about this particular one. So this one's going on a ghia. What's unique about this one is because it's going to be a blow-through plus fuel injection, so I got to make the manifolds, I get to make everything. I get to dictate everything, its location, everything. I'm not trying to adapt to something else somebody else already made. Because of that, I could just weld the pipes on instead of having more clamps, more boots and all that. So there's only one boot, and it'll have, of course, the two clamps there. You'll have the one boot here and the two clamps for the air cleaner. Basically, I'm running the little vacuum lines. I don't know if you can see them. There you go. That guy's going to go right there for the wastegate. This is going, since it's going in a ghia, I did the exhaust adjustable. So this basically is just a clamp on. I'll slide it off here. I'm trying not to scratch it. As you can see, it's just a little stainless steel. It's very pretty. God, it's beautiful actually. But that's going to give you adjustable basically depth for the ghia, so the customer can put it wherever he wants. There's the O2 sensor basically location for the fuel injection. This is not the fuel injection going with the kit. This is just a mock-up unit that I use when mocking up all the turbo kits. So it's a gutless one. It's missing parts and it's got scratches and dings and dents and everything. There's the O2 sensor bung basically for it. Obviously there's oil inlet, which is going to come off the pressure switch. I already give you all that with it. There's the blow-off valve, which the line for that goes over and actually goes into this port right here on the fuel injection. I'll make it a little easy. People always ask, where's the cable go? The cable actually goes around this way. Well, here, point finger this way. Around this way, so. Loud giant truck coming in. Trash truck. Yes. Advertisement for you guys. All right. There's a wastegate. One of the things I like to always do, you'll notice if you've gotten kits from me, is I do a threaded flange. So you don't do a nut and bolt to bolt it together. I actually do a threaded flange on purpose. So you can use the pretty looking little Allens everywhere. They're not fully bolted because I'm just mocking this thing up. And there's my pretty badge. Okay, 1.5" primary piping, 2 1/4 connector, smaller than your normal use on purpose. T28 turbo. It's a ceramic ball bearing. It's got a billet wheel. Badass little setups. Might do one for myself. Okay, backboard not included. Haha. See you guys.